Hello, my YouTube viewers. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and I don't have a string. You may know that last week I was gone because we had a getaway planned, a little belated birthday anniversary thing, and we found out on our last night that my father-in-law and his helper have come down with COVID. As a direct result, my wife and I are now currently unable. Well, we could go home, but then we would have COVID as well, and then we would be restricted as to what we can do. So we are held up in a hotel and trying to make the most of life as we can, while being sort of, at large. So there won't be a video this Saturday, no live stream. I don't even have any string to work with, so I can't even do a fun tutorial or anything from where I'm at. So we are looking at being back home on Sunday, and then so that means like next week everything can go back to normal, as far as the live streams and that kind of stuff. So I apologize. I wish there was more I could do. Really, it's this is not the most ideal situation. I know it may seem fun, I'm off in a hotel or whatever, but it's not great. Ray, my dad's helper, she's lost her sense of taste. In general, just not feeling very well. Dad, on the other hand, the person who wouldn't wear a mask properly and is most likely the reason why they're sick, he doesn't even seem to notice any kind of difference, and claims that him being testing positive is nonsense, and he doesn't believe it, and he's difficult, very difficult. So as you may know, he's almost completely blind and has Alzheimer's, and this whole sense of what where he's being told, he just feels everybody's lying to him. They shut down the daycare for the whole week, so he's at home and he's happy. He's listening to music. He's not being told what to do. He's relatively content. So yeah, he's fine. It's the rest of us all have to suffer as a result. So that's what it is. That's where we stand. I will be back next week, and we can have some fun and do some stuff, and then we'll see. So if you have any good questions or whatever, leave them in the comments and give me something to prepare myself for next week. All right, I will see you guys then, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.